In 30 days, utilize ChatGPT and go from Chief Emergency Officer to Chief Executive Officer. That's the plan. I've coached this shift for years. Busy isn't a win, it's a bottleneck. There are 3 moves today. Stop the burnout, adjust operations, and hire real owners. Step 3 is the one nobody tells you about. Either you fast forward or you hear me out. If your day is hectic, slack, calls, and stress, you're it. You are the brake. Your team waits for your oxygen. Busy is not a badge, it's a leak. And here's the fix. 3 ChatGPT loops to kill the fires. Loop 1. I'm reading this. Daily CEO brief, 7 minutes. Prompt this. Scan #exec and team notes today. Summarize frictions, group by theme, flag blockers. You know what? This doesn't work. Reading ChatGPT prompts is boring for me, and it's definitely boring for you. So what I will do is I put all of these into a workbook. I put a link below. You can download it for free. You will just copy and paste into your ChatGPT, and I put some comments and remarks around it. How does that sound? All right, if you like this video, click like. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. Tell all your friends about this, share this around, and thanks very much for listening.